Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for y'all, I'm back. We're doing a little how-to cop video, and we're going to be discussing how you all can get your hands on the Jordan 1 Low BORDEAUX. Now, as y'all know, these are coming on November 20th. We're going to be discussing some other details. Y'all probably know the drop time if you've been here before, but I will still mention it in a second. So just subscribe and like for more. Again, it's road to 100K now since we just hit 50, about a month ago. So we still got that 50K giveaway going on down below. If you want to go ahead and turn that on my Instagrams, it's on the screen. It's this post right here. You can win one of these dunks. I'm doing it with Secret Sauce. Shout out them as always. And yeah, you can enter to win one of these. So don't miss out on that. That's an opportunity there. So feel free to do that if you want to. Again, you can enter again. You can enter, multiple entries. Feel free. And yeah, that's everything. So I hope you all will enjoy, and let's get into this. So first things about the Jordan 1 Low BORDEAUX, you notice is kind of color blocking. It's that simple kind of style that I actually rock with, the kind of white color blocking style, I guess, where you have it up here, here, and here. You see it on Dunk Lows and many other models that do well, and I think this will do well over time. Now, Jordan 1s, I gotta be honest, they're really about to start playing them out in 2022, and they're also about to bump up the retail to $200 from what I know. So seeing these ones being at 170 still is kind of a nice sign. It's one of the last few Jordan 1s I think we'll be seeing that will be under $200, because I saw the Gore-Tex Jordan 1s that they have coming up. Those are $200, but it makes sense that those are more expensive, because it's like different materials and all that. But don't forget about this one, November 20th. I'll even show you all just so you all know my information and all that's accurate. You can check. There you go, November 20th, 10 a.m. Don't sleep in it. It's an easy profit right there. Mainly the bigger size you go for, the more you'll make. That's a typical thing we discuss here on the channel. I mean, it's just kind of a fact too with most sneaker releases most of the time. The bigger size, the higher price sale you'll be able to get, just because there's less of that shoe in that size. Like, there's less bigger sizes produced and less smaller sizes. So, just take it into reference. The most produced sizes are 8 through 10. There you go. But most of the time, sometimes in sneakers, they load up other sizes with more stock, but I feel like you can't really determine sneakers numbers. I feel like it's kind of random stock, I feel like. But yeah, don't forget, go for adult sizes. Go for also the grade school sizes if you want to. I think there'll be some great profit there. $130 retail, not $140. I'd like to see that. So another little detail right there. You can save a little bit and actually make good. But those are going for, like, we'll discuss them. Grade school sizes are doing well. But y'all can see I like these, the sole matching with the whole upper part of the shoe. This is why I like to see overall in a Jordan 1. I'd have to see this one first in hand to determine if I'd add it to the personal collection. But I mean, I definitely, I'd like to see this one, and hopefully I will hit in it so I can make a review and a sell and a hold video. I'm really not too sure if you should hold this one, but if you were to hold it, my best advice and only advice I'd say is I don't think it'll go up short term, so more or less a long-term hold. Year plus, 10 months plus, before you start seeing like significant progress. But yeah, aside from that, we'll kind of get into resale right now, discuss all that, just kind of my view on it. Hopefully they don't look this, I guess, kind of bright in person. I'm hoping it's a little bit of a darker Bordeaux. Again, I know I've been messing it up and saying Bordeaux on the video, but it's just a southern accent. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to get over it. It'll come in at certain points. My friends that play video games with me, they say it's just unbearable, and I apologize. It's just down south. I can't do anything about the way I speak, so I apologize to everybody, but I can maybe make it sound a little bit different, so I'll try. But first things first, y'all can see right here, kind of looking into the sizes and kind of what they're going for right now. Obviously, this isn't accurate, any of that up here, but kind of this is more or less the accurate range you see it going for right now. Again, something like an 11.5, a size that's much rarer and kind of one of those ones that it's a very particular size. You see that going for much more, but my resale estimate on the shoe, honestly, I think we'll be seeing certain sizes like this 8.5 and 8. I think we'll be seeing these ones right around $200. So I think it'll be right around a range on the shoe of $200 to $230 on resale. And I'm going to put a huge plus. Make sure you see that plus on the end of the 230, because obvious sizes like 11.5, 12.5, 11, those ones will probably stay above 230, even 12, 10.5. Like all these ones right here, this whole range, anything above 10.5, I think will stay above kind of 230, 240. So that's why I put the plus there, just so you know where most of the profit is at. It is 10.5 plus. That's most of the profit. But aside from that, just kind of what I think about the shoe, looking at the progress on it, I don't think there's any charts really showing this one rising like crazy. Again, yeah, it's going down before the drop. That's no shock right there. So, I mean, again, a longer term hold if you want to hold this one. I probably am just going to buy and sell. If I get it, if I like it in hand, I'll wear it. If I get my size, that we'll see. I'd have to get lucky. If I hit my size on sneakers on my phone, that's kind of meant to be. Kind of what happened with me, the Fire Red 4s, and those grew on me. So I'd probably keep these if I hit my size. But aside from that, also looking at grade school sizes, don't forget, great profit as well. $130 retail, and look at these resale prices right now. Like, do not sleep on these grade school sizes at all, and you can see these are going pretty decent. I think 56 sales, that's not a bad amount of sales right there. So, I mean, there'll obviously be more when it comes on drop day, and the price will probably drop a pretty significant amount. But there you can actually see it's a little bit of kind of that darker Bordeaux, which I like. It's actually a very good sign. I said I wanted it to be darker, so I'm happy to see that actually is. That's a good thing right there, because I didn't want it to be like this kind of light color like it is here. I just wouldn't rock with that, to be honest. Just not really my style. And I also think Resell would just tank if it looked like these in hand. Shoes do tank if they look bad in hand. We know that for reference. But yeah, aside from that, this right here, drop day retail, my kind of personal thoughts, and kind of, you know, gladly seeing that this one is actually a darker kind of color, not a lighter Bordeaux, I guess, if that exists, a lighter Bordeaux colorway. But let me get into discussing two videos mainly that could help you with copying on the Snkrs app. If you've been here, you know what I'm going to discuss and link down below for y'all. So we'll get into that right now. So as you guys can see, I'm going to be linking these two videos down below if y'all want to check them out. I mean, again, if you've been here, you know them, maybe you've watched them, maybe you haven't. This one right here just shows you like some Snkrs tips and tricks you can use to kind of help you out with copying more often on the app. I use them and they help me out. My main issue on the Snkrs app is me sleeping through the drops. So it's not really an app related issue. I've slept through the last two good drops. I slept through the Gundam Dunk High. I slept through the Georgetown Dunk. Like that's my biggest issue with Snkrs, is my inconsistency. But I know how to cop on the app. So if you want to check this out, feel free. It's there. And then also there's kind of multiple accounts right here. If you don't know how to make multiple accounts on Snkrs, then check this out, because only having one account, I feel like it's just kind of like you're missing opportunities, because it's just like you'll cop way more often with having more accounts. Trust me, because only having one is like only entering one time. Having 10 is like entering 10 times. Obviously, you'll hit more with having 10 chances than one. It'll be linked there. And I have one more thing that could also really help you out. So I'm going to be sure to, you know, link that down below. And I don't know what's going on in the background. Everyone barges in it's like this apartment, bro. Go argue somewhere else. I also want to give a huge shout out, as always, to my guys right here at Secret Sauce. If you want to check them out, again, they're a $60 monthly fee. These are the exact guys I'm running the giveaway with, so, I mean, just for reference as to who they are, but they can help you all cop PS5s, Xboxes, whatever it is, any type of sneaker release through, like, Raffles or their ticket system. They have a variety of different ways they can help you in their chat. Like, if you're confused about something, you can open a help ticket, learn how to bot, or you could learn how to, I mean, that's like the main section for help tickets. It's just if you have questions about something you want to learn, or you're just trying to figure something out, you know, get into a new type of area where there's profit, these guys are there to help you all out, and I definitely would recommend you all check them out. It's just something that I kind of, you know, use on the daily. Like, I'm always active in their chat, kind of looking for what they post in an important info section on a daily basis, just to kind of see what will be profitable for the day or week, and kind of see what, you know, I can make money on, because that's what I'm about. So if you want to check them, again, it's very simple to enter in their tickets and kind of interact with their chat, do everything that they provide. And I mean, I mainly use it for shoes, but I mean, they've gotten me 2 PS5s, like I've shown that in past videos. Here, I'll show it right now. Here's one of them, straight from Target. Also forgot about these, but yeah, they helped me get these too. Social Status Dunk Mid. Clean pair, definitely a good hold. So if you're interested in joining, just send them a message on Instagram, or just follow them on Instagram. Wait until they drop invites again, like turn their post notifications on so you can see, or just send them a message on Twitter, be like, yo, Tristan sent me, how can I get in? I'm interested in the chat. That's just a really simple way too, you can do it. So that's just another thing I'll link down below. Make sure you all check them. They're very helpful. They've helped me in a lot of ways. If you have any questions about them, you can just ask me. I'll be there to help you all out. And also these two things that I always link down below. There's no raffles really going on for this shoe. I'm still going to link it in case some appear, but it's looking pretty empty for this release. Mainly a FOOTSITE based release. Like, I'll show you all. I checked a couple raffle places too, just to make sure my info is right, and there's like none really going on. But you can see on like Sneaker News, there's plenty of FOOTSITEs actually releasing this one, like Foot Action Dicks. So, you know, I'll be going for those FOOTSITE releases, trying to get this one entered in tickets with Secret Sauce, whatever it is, since they can't help you all cop FOOTSITE releases, so don't forget about that. But that's everything I really need to mention there. I got some GTA stuff pulled up here since I'm trying to get this car in GTA, since I like it. I don't know why I'm mentioning this, but there you go, I am. So yeah, check, you know, this release out. Don't forget, November 20th. You do not want to miss it. And you can check this down below. Don't forget, I've mentioned this the last few videos, so I feel like most people have seen this if you've been here. If not, no big deal. You know, most of the people that watch my channel actually aren't people that are subscribed. It's new viewers, which I like. I think it's like 60% of my channel is normally new viewers, which is, by the way, a great sign. I love seeing that. It's like, actually, I think maybe even 75% new viewers. Perfect. Like, that's a growing channel right there. So yeah, that's everything I need to mention. I'm gonna end this screen recording. I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully I will catch you all in the next video. And yeah, just any questions, ask them down below. I'll be there, anywhere. So, peace.